Jacksonville, it's Pierce Sneed with MarineMax. Another super exciting boat to share with you guys today. It's the Aviara AV36 Outboard Edition. And speaking of the outboards, you can see this boat is loaded. It's a total of 900 horsepower. That's triple 300 V8 Mercuries. In the white on this boat, I think it meshes very well with the rest of the color scheme. And while we're also in this area, look at the sun pad that they are able to put on this 36. Could probably fit up to 4 wide, and the really cool thing about this pad is, as you can see in this position, I have it low. That way you do have that option for the backrest, prop out the legs, and also in the stool position. So you can get a nice, let's say you're out at the sandbar or you are somewhere anchored up doing a little swimming. People can sit up high, communicate with everyone around near the aft. Really well thought out, kind of an exciting feature on these Aviaras. Steps down nice and low into the cockpit. Another nice notable feature here is it's actually an impressive walk-through door, especially when we're taking into fact the children, dogs that you may be bringing with you during your boating adventure. I'm going to step down into the cockpit area now, and starting with the wet bar. You're going to get a refrigerator on this boat. It's also going to come with the ice maker down below. Right above it, nice sink area and a mirror backsplash, of course. Another thing I'm noticing right here in the corner too, lots of cup holders everywhere I look. 5 cup holders over here, 3 over here, another 3 here. This boat is loaded with cup holders. Making my way through the rest of the wet bar here. Gonna look at the grill. This is an electric cooktop grill. Really nice, spacious feature there. And another cool little feature that a lot of these Aviaras include is the cooler. It's sliding out. You could tote that out, take it with you wherever you go. Really nice, seamless storage there. I'm gonna make my way to the helm. Again, cup holders, 2 big ones here. Could fit some Yetis in there. I'm also gonna highlight the bolsters nice and high. I have plenty of visibility over the bow of the boat here. Also looking at this boat is joystick equipped. That is a lifesaver for anybody that knows about the joysticks. Having that ability to maneuver around those tight marinas, those docks, just removes a lot of the headache. Nice large Simrad display here, steering wheel, nice leather wrapped. Have my dual controls. Also, I'm gonna highlight the head area, or the berth, because on this boat it is a berth. We're looking at probably the equivalent of a queen bed down in there. You have a nice separated bathroom area with the head as well. Lots of cool features on this 36. Really nice head on this boat. And before we make our way to the bow, wanted to quickly highlight while I'm over here the hardtop on this boat. It's beautiful, it's fiberglass, it's big. I mean, look at the pillars on this hardtop. It's huge. I make my way through the walkthrough into the bow. Lots of seating options up here. Again, the cup holders, one more time. Impressive speaker stereo system on this boat. You're going to see these grills everywhere. Well, I think that covers it on the Aviara 36 today. If anybody had any questions about this boat, you can feel free to reach me at my cell. It's going to be 904-707-1023.